Hello, little readers. Today we'll be reading 12 More Little Race Cars by Scott and Judy Pruett. 12 race car drivers putting on their suits, fireproof underwear and fireproof boots. Starting up their engines, but one won't go. One little race car doesn't make the show. 11 little race cars coming fast to race, all drivers trying to set the pace. One bumps another. Hey, that was mean. One little race car won't take the green. 10 little race cars zooming round the track. One flips over and lands on its back. The announcer yells, "Oh no, not that!" One little race car cleared off the track. 9 little race cars all running lean. The race is both of man and machine. One starts to sputter, miss, and choke. Poor little race car, his engine broke. 8 little race cars to the pits for fuel. The crews are ready and they look really cool. The driver pulls up and hits his mark. The engine stalls and won't restart. 7 little race cars running 3 abreast. One spins out and now it's a mess. The safety crew takes the driver away. He's out of the race, but he's okay. 6 little race cars jockey for the lead. They zip through the turns at a high rate of speed. All of a sudden, just a wink of an eye, the lead car stops and the rest go by. 5 little race cars racing down the straight. One goes for his brake, but a little too late. He slides down the track, headed for the wall. This little car won't finish at all. 4 little race cars getting close to the end, moving really fast as they're coming round the bend. One loses his gears and he starts to slow. Poor little race car, that's no way to go. 3 little race cars drafting down the back. One hits debris and his tire is going flat. He went to the pit. The crew knew what to do, but the tire rolled away and then there were 2. 2 little race cars down to the wire. One overheats and catches on fire. The corner workers rush with some water to spray. One little car is done for the day. 1 little race car takes the checkered flag. He's off to winner's circle, his first win in the bag. The fans all cheered and the race car driver said, "All little race fans, it's time to go to bed." The end. For more stories, please subscribe to our channel, Little Readers.